it's me, and I have the fidget spinner. This, I don't know how much kilometers per hour this goes, but let's test it out. This is one of a kind. It's very cool to play with, and yeah, go ahead and play with this. This is a very cool thing. It's fun. You can play it every time. You can share it. And here is my brother's. He has a black one. So there is some of these skills from a fidget spinner. And I hope you really like fidget spinners. If you do, leave a like and subscribe to the button. Subscribe and turn on all the notifications. Click that bell, and I hope you like fidget spinners.
Yeah.
See you later. Bye.